Alright, let's get into another example of how we can use the direct modulation and modal interchange hotkeys. Now we loaded the scale of E minor. Let's go into the menu and turn on simple chord mode. This will narrow down the chord side to only the triads. This makes it easy to swap out new triads because they're always loading in the same place. A lot of people are familiar with Roman numeral chord notations, and we're basically doing the same thing but using color instead of Roman numerals. So these are the triads for E minor. Alright, now let's play a 1-4-5 or a red-green-blue progression. Now let's remove our 4 green chord. We'll switch into the 4th mode and play the same pad. So we borrowed the A major chord instead of using the A minor. Now let's do the same with the 6th mode. This time we had an A sharp diminished chord. Now let's do the same thing but remove the 5 blue chord. We borrowed the B major chord instead of using the B minor chord. And again, we'll switch into a different mode and play the same pad. And this time we ended up with a B augmented chord. Alright, let's go back to our original progression. Alright, now I want to show you how to do pivot modulation. First, let's switch from E minor to B minor. Now the scale of B minor has an E minor in the 4th position, and this is going to be our pivot chord or our bridge between the two scales. So we'll start with the E minor chord and then transition into a new progression. So together they sound like this. I'll also add a bass line. So yeah, as you can see, having the ability to borrow chords from the correct modes opens up a ton of new possibilities. Let's play these back to back so you can hear the difference of each modal interchange.